Hello, guys. Welcome to Sparky once again. Are you a content creator or are you dreaming of becoming a content creator, but you don't know how you can actually make your content go viral with thumbnail AI image? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually create your video thumbnail with AI. All right, you are going to use AI tool to create it. No more using Canva, no more using Photoshop, no more using CorelDRAW, no more using PixarTab, any of the design graphic design platform which no more using those things in this very video, because in this video I'm going to create a thumbnail which we are going to use to upload my video on YouTube, and you're going to see it, and you're going to see it is going to stand out the video with using AI. All right, so maybe you have good content, you can edit very well, you have good content, but you don't have a good thumbnail to stand it out. As you know that thumbnail play a vital role when it comes to YouTube videos, because it is when people see, when your thumbnail spark curiosity, a lot of people are going to click on that your video to watch that video. And especially if when that your content is quality, has quality, and then when it is quality and it doesn't have good thumbnail to stand it out, then it's going to get lesser view. But when you have a good thumbnail to stand out your video, wow, it is going to rank on YouTube and you're going to get a lot of views. How are you going to do it? Now, what AI are we going to use? If you don't have Play Store, or if you have Play Store, if you have Apple Store, go there, download, go look for this application. Let me show you. Download, search for this chat GPT. Download this app, right? Chat GPT. So once you are done downloading it, what do? Open it. So when you open it, you sign in with your Gmail account, or you sign in. So when you sign in, now how are you going to do it? What you need is prompt. Watch me, let me show you guys how to get this done. All right, now the prompt simply means the thing you want the chat GPT to do for you. Chat GPT is an AI. You can use it to make research for anything at all, even do graphic design. And you can say that I'm going to use it to design a YouTube video thumbnail, which I'm going to use to upload one of my YouTube videos today as we speak. Right, so what do you do now? You see this place here, just say hi. Just say hi, chat GPT. So just say hi. So you can see, hi Sparky, how can I assist you today? My name is Sparky. All right, now I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to my profile, to my pictures. I'm going to select any of my pictures, and then the logo of the thing you want to create. Let's say you want to create about platform, or you want to use your profile picture for the design. You want to use your picture for the design. So I'm looking for my picture, the one I'm going to use for this design now. All right, so let me look for the picture which I'm going to use. Okay, I want to use this my picture now. So I will use this my picture. I'll click on done, and then the logo that I want it to add for me now, I'm going to look for it and then upload it, and then upload the logo of that particular platform. Now let me look for it. All right, this is the logo of the platform, so I will now upload it. Network is bad. I don't know what's wrong. Network is really, really bad. Network issues. So let us re-upload the image again. So you can see the option of image here, right? This image logo here. So you click on it, then you click on photos. So let me look for that the picture I want to use for the design again. So I'm looking for it. So you look for it and then you select the one you want to use, right? Then after you have selected all those things, so this is the picture, and then I'm going to select the logo, which I will be designing it alongside with it. So this is the logo. All right, now I have selected the two things. All right, so I've selected it. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to write. So what do you want it to do with these pictures you have uploaded? Now is what I'm going to write. Now I'm going to paste what I want it to do for me. That is, it is called prompt. All right, so now you can see what I wrote. Use this my picture to design a thumbnail for me. Title: Chile withdrawal issues. Text color should be yellow, white and blue. Background style should be luxury interior. Text style should be bold and modern. And then add logo to the design. Add the logo to the design. Make it realistic and professional. The design should be YouTube thumbnail format. All right, so I can also decide to change this background style to, let's just say, any style at all. Let me just say dramatic style. Background style, where's the background style? Background style should be luxury interior. So I will come and edit it. Let me just say, let me use this thing. Should be dramatic. Dramatic. So you just choose your own this thing. Once you have a good prompt, once you know what to write, exactly what to write, what it's going to give you. So once you are done writing it, you see this option of send, this option here, this logo here. Click on it. So it will now start working on it for you. All right. So you can see getting started. All you need to do is to have patience, exercise patience, and wait for it. And once it finish generating this thing for you, maybe you don't like it, you can now tell the ChatGPT AI to edit it for you. So remember, what we are doing is thumbnail. Thumbnail that is going to make your video go viral on YouTube, trend on YouTube unlimitedly. All right. So let's wait and see what happens. So you can, what you must know your background style, test style. You can decide to use 3D test. You can decide to take ChatGPT to use 3D test to do the design for you. You can decide to use a bold. You can decide to use Anthem. You can decide to use bold and modern. So all these are the things that can stand out your thumbnail. Bold test. All right. So he's now designing the thumbnail for me, as you can see. So we wait. You can see he's adding the text. This is YouTube video thumbnail we are designing. So you don't need Canva anymore. All right. But if you anything, you just tell ChatGPT to do it for you, it will do it for you. So you can see it here. So can you see it here? Can you see it? You have the okay. I don't like this. And now tell move this human image to the left. The move the image to the left hand side, and move the text to the left hand side. All right. So move the image to the left hand side and move the text to the left hand side. So it's going to do it. Now I don't like it. I don't like the arrangement. So it's now going to, this my human image is going to be here while the text will be at the left. Right. So that is what we have asked. We have commanded it to do now, and it's going to do it. Just watch and see. So you can see he still give us the same thing, but now that's not what we ask you to do. All right. So you will still command it again. Sometimes you may get it wrong because of what the test. Do you understand? Because of the test, because of your what your prompt may be wrong. So it is when you write it well. So your English should be accurate while you are commanding it. All right. So now what are we going to do? I just say resize. After the whole thing, just say resize, resize, resize it to 1280 times 720 p's. All right. So that's it. So it's now going to turn it to that thumbnail for you. It's going to turn it to thumbnail for you. Already it has already generated it. This is thumbnail format, but it is not balanced. So you have to command it to resize it for you. Then after it's done resizing it, you can download it. So can you see it now? You now click on the download link to download the thumbnail. All right. So you can see open. So did you see it? This is the thumbnail now. This is the thumbnail. We are done. So this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail with AI in 2025. Thank you for watching this video.